Hey guys, we're in the Aurender room here at the Pacific Audio Fest. We're with Ari, and he's gonna walk us through the products, so see what's going on here. As far as
thanks. Live in Seattle. We have the whole line of Aurender music servers and digital source components here. We have a suite of different products in our range for all kinds of different music lovers and systems out there. All the units in silver here are digital outputs only, so they're designed to be paired up with maybe a standalone DAC, or if you've got an integrated amplifier with a DAC built in. These are awesome choices for that kind of application. And then we also have 4 models that actually have DACs built into them as well, so they're more of a complete solution for a minimal system that doesn't involve separates at every step of the way. Aurender is all about taking the computer out of the computer audio experience, so it's all about delivering access to the incredible world of streaming music and file-based music playback without the hassle and inelegance of using a computer to achieve that goal. So we've got our own proprietary app, our own software that makes the playback engine happen, and that software is an integral part in the audio performance part of the puzzle as well. So that finely tuned software going hand in hand with incredible hardware engineering equals a great way to listen to music.
And they're pretty sexy products, I gotta say. Like, is it just for the show that you have the clear tops on them? Or?
This is just for the show with the clear tops. Okay. Yeah, we like to give people a look inside to see, what it is they're buying. Sure. The power supply circuitry, the digital audio outputs, super capacitors, just all the hardware engineering that goes into these machines is something that you don't see too often. They really they push the edge of the envelope in terms of hardware engineering, and will continue to do so as well.
It's not just a capacitor, it's a super capacitor.
A super capacitor. Yeah, those
no,
actually,
I almost feel like this should be like an option. Like if I had this, I would want it to look like that. I mean, it looks, so typically it's probably matches.
We get that request from time to time, but yes, typically they have a beautiful anodized aluminum top as well. Really handsome machines. We get a lot of positive feedback about the way that they look in customers' homes.
Definitely. And where can our viewers find your product?
Aurender.com is a great place to learn more. We've got a list of all of our dealers there throughout North America and beyond. We've got distribution all over the world, and it's Aurender's been making source components for over 10 years now, so we were one of the first companies to say, hey, the industry needs a really elegant, easy to use, great sounding source for digital audio playback.
Yeah, it seems to be, I'd say, the way of the future. They do, obviously, there's, the youngsters are still into the vinyl and stuff, but the most of the market, it's digital, and it seems to keep going further and further in that direction. And like, when people are pushing the limits, like what you guys are doing, it seems like it keeps getting better and better, and easy of use as well for everybody. So
ease of use is key. It's got to, in this digital world, convenience and audio performance are both the goals, and different people will prioritize those in different ways. The goal of Aurender is to minimize the necessity of making that compromise and really providing a convenient and streamlined user experience. We make the compromises on our side to, there's certain features that may detract from audio performance, and Aurender makes a conscious decision to leave those out of the signal path and avoid mucking up the signal. So really strike that balance between performance and convenience.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate your time, and hope you guys have a great show.